Sometimes you give me money for petrol, or sometimes you borrow money from me. Saying I'm lang na mali petrol, can you give me 500 rand, 300 rand. It's those monies.
Okay. What's your relationship with Vusi Musi Cat Matlala?
I don't have a relationship with Vusi Musi Matlala.
I didn't deny anything.
You just said you didn't have a relationship
No,
with him.
relations. I didn't. You said to me, oh, sorry. You said to me, you said you don't know Vusi Matlala. I said it's incorrect, you see. And it was immediately when I've said to you, there are no longer relationships, we're no longer communicating. I didn't say, I don't know. You said, yeah, I said, I don't know. I said, I repeat it, said, I don't have relationship with Vusi Matlala's house. You are twisting what I've said. It is me who said that.
No, you're playing
And
games here. You're being sly.
No, where does it say?
You're a liar. You're being dishonest.
Where does it say, I don't know Vusi Matlala?
You just said you
Where?
have no relationship with him. You just said that.
No, I think you understand English better than I. Don't twist.
You're playing games.
No,
you're twisting. You're lying in
No,
front of this house. I
that's
didn't
not
say
right.
that. That's your story. I didn't
But
say
you
that.
just said it now.
No, I didn't.
You're not
I said that Thintel. Stop telling me I'm not honest, Mr. Mkunazi. You lied about appointing
Can you read it
someone
again?
illegally.
Please read it
You
again
keep
for me.
telling me I'm disrespectful, but when I read something in plain English to you, you don't listen and you accuse me of something else. Okay. Do you know what SWAT stands for?
Intervention. I don't
No.
know SWAT.
What does SWAT stand for?
I don't want to talk about SWAT.
What does SWAT stand for?
I don't know, sir.
You call yourself a tactical head and you don't know what SWAT stands for?
No, I don't know. I don't know, sir.
Are you a police officer? Yes or no?
I can't answer that.
Are you a police officer?
What does that video tell you, sir?
Are you a police officer?
I can't answer that.
Are you a police officer?
I can't answer that.
And you don't know what SWAT means?
I can't answer that.
You have proved to us why you are sitting here today. I can tell you now that you're not a leader. You represent a certain thuggish behavior in uniform, and your failure and the way you've conducted yourself, illegal appointments, the way that you have locked away cars that don't belong to the Ekurhuleni city, have actually made Metro Police a joke. It's because of that kind of conduct that South Africans don't take it seriously anymore. I also want to tell you that the public no longer trusts institutions because of people like you. When you associate with people like Cat Matlala, you need to expect to receive your own evil medicine back. And I want to tell you tonight that with your testimony today, as well as that in front of the Madlanga Commission, you have destroyed any possible trust that was still left in local law enforcement.